Assalamualaikum students, and I'm your teacher Miss Maria. So students, welcome back to your English class, and this video is for class 5. Students, take out your notebooks and your black pen, your blue pen, your pencils and your scales. Okay, first of all, what you have to do, you have to draw the margin line. Okay, then write date with your black pen. You have to write date. Today is 18/8/2020. Classwork and day is Tuesday. Then you have to put heading unit number 3. ठीक है, you will not use colon over here. ठीक है, unit number 3. Then people at work, words meanings. Today we are going to do the words meaning of people at work, which is the chapter of unit number 3. ठीक है, which is actually a unit number 3. Words meaning. Number 1, community, a group of specific people. Number 2, exposition, exhibition where things are displayed to sell. Number 3, illustrate, to explain. Facsimile means facts. Then trapped, piece of equipment catching animals. Epidemics, a rapid increase of a disease like coronavirus. ठीक है, then diagnosis, identify illness or a disease. Then pharmacist, a person who deals with the medicine. Number 9, integral, important. Then paramedics, a person whose job is to help people who are sick or injured. Students, if you don't have a space on the page, then you can move to the next page as well. ठीक है, don't forget to write the index of this work. Don't forget to write the date on your page, and you have to do neat work. ठीक है, and avoid cutting on your work as well. Now take out your textbooks. Okay students, as you know that we have completed over unit number 3, that was people at work. Today we are going to start unit number 4, that is get active. Open your page number 64 of your textbook. Mention date on your page. Today is 18/8/2020 and day is Tuesday. Get active, getting started. ठीक है, get active. Read the passage below about physical education. What is the physical education? ठीक है, now we are going to read about the passage which is about the physical education. Physical education is part of the school curriculum. What is the curriculum? Everything which you learn inside the school or outside the school, that is called the curriculum. ठीक है, everything which have designed for the students to learn from, ठीक है, is the curriculum. It involves exercises. Physical education involves exercises, sports and games. So as you know that you also have PT sir in your school who teaches you how to play. ठीक है, he teach you or tells you about the sports and games, and he also involves you in different kind of exercises as well. Then physical education is taught in both primary and secondary schools. छोटे स्कूलों में भी और बड़े स्कूलों में भी पढ़ाया जाता है फिजिकल एजुकेशन. एट कॉलेज लेवल इट कैन बी टेकन एज अ सब्जेक्ट बाय इटसेल्फ इन कॉलेजेस. ठीक है, इन लाइक इन फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर, FA or BA, it is teaching as a subject in the colleges. Some countries also offer degree courses and diplomas in physical education, and our country is also one of those countries, ठीक है, which is offering degree courses and diplomas in physical education as well. It is also an important component in military training. If you want to go in military, then it is an important component for that. Discuss these questions in a group. Why do you think physical education is important in schools? What are the benefits of participating in sports and games? Which sport do your classmates prefer to participate in? Write your favorite sport and those of your group members in an appropriate category in the table below: group members, ball games, track and field, and other sports. ठीक है, but we are not in the school. But what you can do, you can ask your father, your mother, or your brother, your sisters. I mean, if you have two brothers, then you can ask from both. If you have two sisters or three sisters, you can ask all of them. ठीक है, then which game they would prefer. ठीक है, what is their game, what is the favorite game, what is their favorite game. You have to write all those sports. ठीक है, which are, if that is the ball game, like फुटबॉल. ठीक है, इस तरह की कोई गेम है तो वो यहाँ पे आप लिखेंगे. ट्रैक एंड फील्ड के रिलेटेड कोई गेम है, देन यू कैन राइट इट ओवर हियर. और कोई और दूसरी स्पोर्ट है जो इन दोनों फील्ड्स में से नहीं है, देन यू विल राइट दैट स्पोर्ट्स नेम ओवर हियर. ठीक है, व्हाट वाज द सेकंड क्वेश्चन, दैट व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन स्पोर्ट्स एंड गेम. क्या बेनिफिट है स्पोर्ट्स एंड गेम का? दैट स्पोर्ट्स एंड गेम्स कीप्स द पर्सन एक्टिव. ठीक है, हमें एक्टिव रखती हैं, हमारा माइंड फ्रेश रखती हैं. Why do you think physical education is important in schools? Because in schools we have a lot of educational load on the students' mind. ठीक है, when or if we give a physical education to the students, it will help students to take a few moments out from their studies. ठीक है, and they can give that part or that little portion of time to their games, that will help them to stay healthy or to keep themselves fit or healthy. ठीक है, now move to the next page, page number 65. Be a team player. Team sports require more than one person to play the game. We know only single person can't play any kind of a game. Instead of it is not a mobile game. ठीक है, team sports require more than one person to play the game. Members of the team have to cooperate with each other and work as a team. Discipline, good attitude, and sportsmanship are very important in team sports. What are the things very important for a person or for a team sporter? Is discipline, good attitude, sportsmanship. ठीक है, डिसिप्लिन हो आप में, टाइम पे जाएं, टाइम से आएँ. गुड एटीट्यूड, यू हैव टू बिहेव गुड विद एवरीवन. ठीक है, यू हैव टू कोऑपरेट विद एवरी single person, each member of the that of the team. ठीक है, then team sports can turn ugly when players break the rules or are undisciplined. Of course, if for example we are in the class and you are not listening to the teacher and you are continuously talking to your classmates, then obviously your classmates will disturb, your teacher will disturb, and the atmosphere of the class will be disturbed. ठीक है, so if you will not act as a good person, ठीक है, so the discipline of the team will be bad. ठीक है, during a match, referees, umpires, or game officials are engaged to ensure that rules are kept. For all this, what authorities have done, they have referees, umpires, or other game officials. They make sure, they ensure the audience, they ensure the every person that you all the team members will follow the rules. ठीक है, they have made or any organization have made for their sports teams. Complete the following activities in a group. Can you think of some examples of team sports? Fill a table like the one below with information about the team sports you have thought of. One examples have been provided for you. You may have to find out more about each sport from resources in the library, from the internet, or from the interviews with players of each game. Name of team sport, number of players in a team, officials involved in a game. ठीक है, what you have to do, you have to write those name of the sports which have team members. ठीक है, more than 2 to 3 players in a team, and then who are their officials. There are umpires, referees, linemen, जो भी होते हैं उसमें. ठीक है, you have to write the name of the sport, the number of the team players, then officials involved in, for example cricket. In cricket we have 11 players or 12 players, जितने भी होते हैं आपको पता होगा, ठीक है. एंड देन अम्पायर्स, ठीक है, और भी जो होते हैं उसके ऑफिशियल्स, उनके नाम आपने यहाँ पे लिखने हैं, ठीक है. और भी गेम्स के, फुटबॉल के अलावा बास्केटबॉल भी हो सकती है अगर वो टीम गेम है तो, ठीक है. Okay ji, now move to the next page, page number 66, and this is about the planning and information report. What is the information report? In which you are giving information about something to the other people. For example, there is a function, and they had function organized by your school, and you were the part of that function, ठीक है. Now you have to tell it to your guardian or anyone, ठीक है, and then he asked you to write an information report on it. Then you have to write each and everything from the first point to the last, from the first event to the last event, ठीक है. That is the information report, in which you will tell each and every single moment of the event to your leader or to your boss or to anyone. Before you write an information report about a particular game, you will need to plan an outline for your report. When you are writing a report on the game, then what you have to do, you have to make some of the outlines. Below is an outline on cricket, a popular game in Pakistan. This is the outline of the cricket game, ठीक है. Work in a small group to write notes about the following aspects of the game. The first section has been done for you. You may need to read up on the game to gather more information. We will do this exercise in our school, but for now I want to explain it to you, ठीक है. Cricket, as you know that cricket is one of the most popular sports of Pakistan. So introduction, popular spectator game. It is, you are giving the introduction of cricket game to your boss or to someone to whom you are writing this information report, ठीक है. That popular spectator game है ये, fast, exciting, entertaining, played professionally as indoor team sport or played recreationally as outdoor team sport. Then we have players, how many players we have, how many extra players we have. Then clothing and equipment, which kind of shirts they wear. They wear jersey type shirts, t-shirts, tops with trousers or whatever it is, ठीक है. Then playing area, that they have a square ground or a round ground of 0.00 kilometer or 0.1 kilometer or 1 kilometer, ठीक है. It depends on the cricket playing area, ठीक है, which we will complete in our school, ठीक है. How cricket is played, then how they play, how many runs they have, how many balls they have, how many runs they have to make, and all these things. Then rules, what are the rules? They do not have to break, they have to follow the rules. Then skills needed, how a person can easily gain a lot of runs, or how he can out the other person easily, ठीक है. This can be the skills. Okay ji, this is it for today's class. I will meet you in the next lecture, and in the next lecture we will start baseball lesson. What you have to do, you just have to give a short reading to it, ठीक है, and also underline the difficult words. And then when I will explain this lesson to you, it will help you to understand the lesson more better, ठीक है. And yes, during the reading, if when you have underlined the difficult words, ठीक है, and I will explain you the meanings of the words. If any word will be left by me, then you can ask me in the comments that ma'am, what is the meaning of this, or you can also Google it, ठीक है. But if you want to ask to me, I don't have any issue. You can ask me in the comments. I will try to give you the answer over there, ठीक है. So we will start the whole lesson, our chapter of this unit. So you must have to read this lesson before my explanation, ठीक है. So students, I will meet you in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe. Allah Hafiz students, take care of yourself and of your parents as well. Bye.